Well, hey, it's Bruce Latch. We're down at Timeless Arts Refinishing, Grand Rapids, Michigan. We're just doing a little walk around. We're not showing any finishing on this radio. But we got a Majestic 1280 radio here that we had just restored. It's out of like Indiana or Illinois area. So, picture at the top. There's a nice front view of her. Side view. Actually, pretty simple grade on the side of this cabinet. They don't use any fancy walnut or anything like that. It's just a straight, like maybe possibly a maple.
Yeah.
Very boring on the side, but it's a Majestic, and she is an Art Deco radio. So, yeah, there we go. Thank you.